To review topics in ALEKS, especially if you have an upcoming test or a quiz, instead of clicking Start My Path, which will take you into the current and open module, you'll navigate up into your menu in the top left corner and choose Review to go into ALEKS review mode. This review mode is only for the adaptive side of ALEKS and the ALEKS topics. The very first thing you'll be prompted with is your most ready to review topic, meaning one that you may have struggled with the first time around. If you want to navigate to something different, you can use this drop-down arrow to bring up the entire carousel of topics that you have ready for you to review. You'll notice all of the topics in this carousel are either learned or mastered, meaning that you've learned them in learning mode or you've mastered them in a knowledge check. You are only allowed to review topics that you have already completed in the past. From this, you can scroll and see exactly what you want to work on and click on anything that interests you to review. Reminder that in review mode, it does not affect your score at all on your modules. It will not increase or decrease. It's just purely for review. If there's something more specific you want to look at in a different module, you can use this drop-down menu to navigate to the old modules to see those specific topics. So now I'm only seeing the module 3 topics that I have available to me, those 4 topics. If you want to see all of them at once, you can go back to the top where it's showing you all the total topics that you have available to you to review. And then you can also use this filters feature on the side where you can type in a keyword like the word decimal and it will bring up all the ones in your course that have decimal in the title. So there's 6 topics total that I can work on for decimal review. If you're looking to review something that's not in the adaptive side of ALEKS, that's in the non-adaptive side of ALEKS, like a homework test or a quiz assignment, if you navigate into the menu on the top left corner and go to your assignments page, you will see that listed here. You'll notice modules 6 and 7 are currently open, so that's what I'm allowed to work on. I can also work on this homework 1.1 through 1.4. I previously got a 71%, and I'm allowed to keep doing it since I have unlimited attempts. But I can also go over here onto the right side and see this review assignment on the bottom. And if you click review assignment, it takes you into the non-adaptive side of ALEKS's review mode, where you can go back and watch the videos and complete the questions for no credit at all, but just purely as review.